Om Shri Sai Ram. Welcome back to Sai Lakshmi YouTube channel. Miracle taken place by doing Sai Guruvar Vrat. I would like to share my experience. I'm a devotee of Sai Baba since 15 years. I have experienced a lot of miracles in my life, still continuing. The secret is here. Initially was simple devotee who just visit temple and do namaste and go away. So it was going like this for until I finished my PG and went to search job in the Bangalore. I was so confident that I will get good job as my coding skill is good. But search went for long time due to recession effect. During that I have attended more than 50 interviews and 90% failed in final round of interview. Like Tendulkar getting out of 99. Then I was excited and depressed. All my family members losing hope and to get job. I was also planning to go back to my negative place and start something. Then decided to give last try. Then started search for internal help like mantra puja, wearing gem stones and all things. Then I came across my Grand Master Sri Sai Baba in one of the globe where devotees written about how she got job after reading Sri Sai Satcharitra. I also started to read. To be frank, initially, due to my logically brain, I didn't believe in miracle happened in each chapter of Sri Sai Satcharitra. Still, I continued hoping to get good job. After that also, I did 9 weeks vrat, which changed my life during 9 vrat. I used to visit Sai Baba temple every Thursday and afternoon meals as well as attended Pallaki process. Slowly I was feeling blessed from Sai Baba. When I was sitting and singing evening Harati, then tears started coming while listening each word of Harati song. I was so involved in Harati song that when I see Baba's idol, I felt like Baba idol is breathing and Baba seeing at me like caring mother. I was feeling Baba's energy. It was so beautiful experience that I can't write it in words and realize the Sai Baba is supreme. I have started most important thing which my logically my instrument by collecting Sai Baba instructions and important notes from Sai Chaitra. One of the important thing is continue chanting Sai Baba name, Naam Jap, and donate money to Shirdi Sai Baba Mandir and surrender everything to Baba without expectations. Because you may expect it good, but Baba may plan for you more than enough, like diamond platinum. But you stick to gold, so don't stick to what you want. So I started chant every moment and started receiving instruction Baba in many ways. Then slowly things have started to happen. I got big job in MNC company. Then later I changed my job to another big MNC through Baba's instructions as I was afraid to resign job. With new job I totally surrendered. Within 1 year I went UK for 1 year with English. Baba's help didn't stop it in UK. I got good PG etc. I came back the married to lovely wife. Sometimes we quarrel but I surrender everything to Baba. She also surrendered same matter to Baba, then issue gets resolved. After that I went to visit abroad after marriage. Again Baba gave me gift to go to Canada as one of my employee wants to come back India and looking for replacement. And company selected me. All time I was suffered to Baba. Whatever result and chant is holy name. Even though I didn't receive my wife's visa, I was having firm faith in Sai Baba that it will get visa too. I received her visa when only 1 week left to fly. Then later Baba blessed with a little angel and it's also like all happy time. Some of the hard time we welcomed as learning and Baba always stands besides who remember continuously and help smooth of your life boating. The healer, I was meditator since my childhood. I requested to give my worth Guru to Sai Baba, who can lift up me in spiritually. with Baba's blessings. I got my guru from Tamil Nadu who gave me Diksha and taught not only meditate also, heal to other with help. Sai Baba, now I am healer as well as software engineer. I usually heal my family members as also known to others. I don't do the healing, Sai Baba do the healing. Whenever they may be, they get healed and remove powerful negative energy remotely. Sai Baba bless us all. Hope you understand my secrets and ways of Sai Baba's success. Om Shri Sai Ram.